Hi everyone, welcome back to Sinhala Tutor YouTube channel. Today in the fourth lesson I am going to discuss about how we can produce words. How we can produce words in the Sinhala language. So previous videos we have discussed about the letters and today I am going to discuss about words. So in Sinhala you call them vachana. Vachana. So how to prepare vachana, how to make words, how to make words. Right. As the first one, let's see how we know that how to produce letters. I have discussed that one in the previous lesson. So singular words. I'm going to talk here about singular words. How to prepare singular vachana. Singular vachana. In singular you call them vachana words. Alright. So uk plus a. This is the uk. Uk is the consonant plus a vowel. So yeah, it produces car, the longer car. It is not the car, it is car. Then the second letter, that is l, it is produced with plus vowel l. So the production is l, the letter l. And the third one is e, and plus so the result is ear. So that is the letter ear. So e consonant plus a vowel. So that is ya. So ultimately the word car. So the first letter is car, second letter is l, and third letter is layer. Car layer. So car layer. The word, this is the word car layer. How to write it? The word car layer. So car layer. My friends, the meaning of the car layer is time. Time. In English you call it time. So that is car layer. Right. Let's look at another word. Singular. Vachana. Another vachana. So you call it Vachana Bahuvat. That is Bahuvachana is plural. We will discuss that one in the next later lesson. So Vachana. So Sinhala Vachana. So that is consonant plus vowel e. So the result is letter me. M plus I. Plus e. Me. Right. Second letter plus e. And the result is ni. The letter is ni. Okay, friends. And the third letter is sa, that is produced with consonant s plus vowel a. A, the production letter is sa. So the last result is the letter mi, the letter ni, the letter sa. Mi, ni, sa. M-I, N-I-S-A, minisa. So that is minisa. The meaning of the minisa is man, man. Minisa. Sometimes in Sinhala they call them miniha also. Manushya, Minisa, Miniha, sometimes we call them like that also. So same words you are telling it in different way in single language. So you can use those things. So the normal meaning is Minisa. In English you call them man. Right. Let's make another word. Okay. This is what is the next singular word? Singular vachane that we are going to talk about. Vachana here. Vachana is the singular. Vachana is plural. We will discuss that one. So let's see how to write Anuradhapur in Sinhala. The vowel Sarakura, vowel you use it So there's no consonant here. Actually, the vowel has came as the letter then n plus u, n, n, consonant n plus vowel u, nu, result letter is nu, and the third one r, the consonant r plus a. I have used the capital R for the longer vowel. Long vowel I have used here the capital A. So r plus a, ra. So that is ra. And the next letter is the. So this is the. So DH. So I have used DH for the sound, and I have used the capital the again for the using of the. So that is the plus vowel so that is the, and the next letter is p plus u, the consonant p plus vowel u, so that is the result is pu. And lastly, the consonant is r, r plus a, r, r plus a, r. So the result is r. So what are the results? A, n plus u, nu, r plus a, ra, d plus a, the, plus u, pu, r plus a, r. So you can call it Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura. There you have to pronounce the as the. It is not the, so you have to higher sound, the Anuradhapura. So this is the way that you are going to write Anuradhapura in Sinhala language. So that is called Ayanna, Nuyanna, Rayanna, Dhayanna, Puyanna, Rayanna also. So so you call them Ayanna, Nuyan, Yanna. You put the Nayan, Yanna. Right? Ayanna, Nuyanna, Rayanna, Dhayanna, Puyanna, Rayanna. So this is the way that you are going to write the single word Anuradhapura. So friends, we'll discuss more things about single language. So hopefully I will discuss something about sentences. So we have discussed about letters and about the vowels and consonant in single. Today I have discussed about vachana, how to produce vachana, that is words, and then let's go talk about sentences. So thank you for joining us. Goodbye. Ayubowan. Thank you.